The 2026 Toyota Crown Signia is a new hybrid midsize crossover with standard all-wheel drive and is available in XLE and limited trim levels. The performance and handling are acceptable, but the Signia's target client is likely to prioritize comfort over sports pretension. The pricing of the 2026 Toyota Crown Signia is estimated to range from $46,000 to $50,000, depending on trim and options. The Crown Signia features an all-wheel drive hybrid drivetrain. It features a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gasoline engine and 3 electric motors. This produces 243 horsepower and comes standard with a continuously variable automatic transmission. This combination isn't particularly exciting, and the engine can drone under heavy acceleration, but the Crown Signia is swift enough for highway passing maneuvers in the real world. In our test drive of the Crown Signia, we discovered that it prioritizes quiet and pleasant cruising above engaging handling, which is typical for this market. At our test track, the Crown Signia reached 60 miles per hour in 7.0 seconds, which is comparable to other mid-sized hybrid SUVs. The Crown Signia's interior looks similar to the Crown sedans, featuring high-quality materials and a pleasing dashboard design. The XLE variant comes with fabric and vinyl upholstery as standard, but the limited model has leather seats. The cargo area expands when the back seats are folded, and the 2-row seating arrangement can hold up to 5 passengers. A panoramic sunroof is an optional feature that adds to the airy impression, and tan and black interior colors are available. A 12.3-inch touchscreen and a digital gauge cluster are standard on all models. The center touchscreen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a variety of additional connectivity capabilities such as Wi-Fi, over-the-air upgrades, and speech recognition. The XLE grade comes with a 6-speaker audio system, but upgrading to the Limited adds an 11-speaker stereo tuned by JBL. The Crown Signia comes equipped with the majority of Toyota's current driver assistance systems as standard. All models feature automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist.